Let's figure it out.
Pulling it now.
3 in a car, 1 in a truck.
Valuable and adding value for your clients.
So Phoebe, 2020, nice easy start back, the team, quiet?
No, nice and busy actually. Trying to get the boys to get 5 things in today, so 2 installs and 3 pack-ups, trying our hardest. So lots of stuff sold before Christmas, trying to fit in lots of pack-ups, but we're also booked out with installs, so busy.
So Phoebe, what's on today?
Oh, we've got a huge day today, Cody. We've got a little unit going in this morning, followed by, I feel like I say this often, another big one. It's actually our biggest ever, so we keep trumping it. 7 bedrooms, 5 living areas, 3 dining, so huge, big. It's even got a karaoke stage.
Is it all going to fit on the truck?
Well, it's a really big partial, so we're trying to use as much of the furniture as the clients that we can, so up to us. It's gonna be tired.
Tell me about this place.
It's got a story actually, Cody. Hang on, come back front. This is actually the old Japanese Consulate, which is pretty cool, which is why it has a karaoke stage. And all the land down the side used to be owned by the consulate, but since been sold off. So they've had to change the front entry of the home to what would have been the servants' quarters. So that's what we enter in through here. However, it changes the whole layout of the home, because obviously you're not coming in through that grand entrance up to your formal living. You're now coming through the back into the back of the kitchen. So that's what we're really trying to work on to make it feel like the flow's still there. Interesting facts: bulletproof doors. They are super heavy. All screen shutters, the best that you could have bought in 1964. All about bulletproof and security and all that sort of thing. So, but you can see the grandeur of the home. We're using a lot of the client's pieces, so everything that's in this room actually belongs to the client. So it's about integrating pieces of ours in with theirs, and then combining it with all of the accessories, the decorative cushions. We're using all of our clients' artwork, and that is the element that makes this job actually really smooth and easy for us, because we don't stock pieces that are hand painted or gold, like we don't have these pieces in stock because they wouldn't be used in everyday homes. So being able to use this client's pieces, it's going to come up great.